cannot be removed by a wet polishing machine. Okay. Let's go. Press this button. And the pad will move from left to the right side and the upside to the downside. Let me explain why this grinding machine can remove deep scratches because of this pad. This pad has more powerful force on phone screen, so the grinding machine can remove deep scratches that the wet polishing machine cannot do. Now it's very hard to see that scratches is all removed. The bad scratches is removed and the screen is not that bright. So we have to send this phone to the wet polish machine to make the screen shiny like the new one. Tell me this. Hold on,